Now I'm gonna tell you how you can make money from me through affiliate marketing just from signing up for my Patreon. It is a special going on right now. But let's just dive into it right quick and show you guys. All right, guys, so here we are on the last one, the affiliate marketing, from people signing up from Coinbase, Acorns, Robinhood, Webull, Track Your Dividends, Amazon, all kinds of affiliate links that I support and use. I've made a total of, I got over 300, 400, 500 people to sign up on these different platforms, but I made over 4704.36. I made $4,704 this month alone in affiliate marketing. So let's hit. That is, wow. That is $10,326 from this month alone of total passive income, which is $125,000. Oh my God, I gotta tell my mama. This is $125,000, $344 a day, or the equivalent of $64 an hour if I was working a job. That is insane, guys.